Are you tired of trial and error in optimizing your manufacturing process? Design of experiment DOE could be the solution you need. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can help maximize sales figures and improve manufacturing processes by optimizing the right parameters. With so many organizations still struggling to understand the concept and use it properly, it's time to dive in. In this video, I will break down the basic concepts of DOE, share the experimental methodology, and guide you through the correct steps to conduct and analyze your results, leading to meaningful conclusions. Get ready to unlock the true potentials of DOE and take your process optimization to the next level.
Statistically designed experiment, or known as DOE, is actually a methodology of planning and conducting a series of experimentation runs with controlled changes in the inputs X in order to observe or identify how it changes the outputs or the response or the results. The experimentation runs are actually conducted with multiple control factors at the same time, and it can be controlled at 2 or 3 levels of the factors, and is designed into a table, and the experiment is run. Later on, regression analysis or a modeling techniques is used to identify what is the significant factors which could have an impact on the results, and also how to set these factors which has an impact to an optimum level to achieve the desirable results through modeling. And we can also predict the future results using this type of modeling with different types of X. The purpose of performing this type of experiment is actually to identify the cause and effect relationship between the inputs and outputs. And generally, there are several experiments that needs to be conducted to establish the complete cause and effect relationship between X and also Y.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
Basically, the DOE experimentation and the result analysis is actually function like a funnel. We were started with investigating large numbers of potential X, the process inputs, and determine which has significant impact. This stage is known as screening, that we wanted to identify what are the potential X that has the biggest impact on Y among the many. And next is that we want to investigate the relationship of X, because sometimes X could interact with each other and give a different results. And we wanted to understand this through analysis and also statistical modeling, and also check our assumptions to ensure that the modeling is correct. And lastly, once we understand all these things, we would like to reduce the X. We only focus on X, which is important, and we will start to optimize all those important X's to get optimum results in Y, where we will use prediction profiler to get the best setting, and also a confirmation run to validate the results. So it starts from screening, characterization of the factors X, finally the optimization.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing, supplier quality engineering career to the next level. Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses or scan the QR code to start your journey to success today.
I shall summarize the design of experiment approach, where we will need to identify or clearly define our goal of why, what is our desirable results, the key metrics, and also the potential inputs that impact these results. So validate on how we are going to measure the why, as we need to collect the data as we run the experiments on different types of combination of X. Finally, we will design the experiment itself. Next is that after design the experiments, we will determine and run the experiments to collect the data and conduct a modeling on the data and reduce the factors which is more important, and then validate on the model reduction, the screening, and also the prediction, the characterization, and optimize the factor setting and confirmation runs to ensure that the setting is optimum and set correctly and can repeat it in the next experiment, which to validate that this is a true optimum value which will give you the best results. DOE is actually a sequential experiments which you will require rigor, discipline, skill, and also a good statistical software to analyze the results. You will need to have clear objective on what you want to achieve, a good data collection infrastructure to ensure that the data collected is reliable and correct, and also a powerful statistical analysis software. If this is run correctly, it's well worth the effort, which will give you a fantastic return on all your hard work. It will give you the answer you are looking for, such as what are the inputs or what are the factors that could impact your outputs or your results, and also how to optimize them, and is there any interaction, and it can even help you to identify and mitigate those uncontrollable inputs that actually could also cause an impact on your output. And experimentation involves the process of learning and building what you know, and we will get to where we want to be and use it to grow our revenue.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.